Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nanedu. Those ones who I know, we don't sack them. And as I did so, I just hang out with my co-host. Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nanedu. And the people who be so I know before, I don't sack them. And I just chill with my co-host, Katim.
Which one be co-host?
Now you the host with me.
Co-host. Let's start the squad with you.
My brother, if you not squad for BQ, you not fear to me.
We the host the show. Which one be co-host? Ladies and gentlemen, we are hosts. We are double hosts. Yeah, if they say we be babe, we say hostess.
brother,
we are the host of the show. My name is Acapella. Katim. No, my name is Katimo. We don't sack them.
You quick forget. You too quick forget. You too quick forget. Now Katim you be.
We're not supposed to sit down here now.
Almost stand for you.
Show don't start.
What do they do here?
Who be this baby man? We wear glasses like. I sack you too.
You are sacked.
Let me be sacker.
I wanna get up.
You know who we are?
Wanna get up.
No, you're not supposed to sit down.
You're not supposed to sit down.
Are you serious?
See,
My brother.
just
If
we know even agree.
What did they do here? Nedu, my name.
I talk Amu.
What's it with this?
Nedu.
just center, just sit there, just take over.
Show go soon start. Now easy you dey show go soon start. Why you not like this?
they say make I play small song, they won't do alright. Now the next thing they begin sit down, he say na him be Nedu. He say na him be Katin.
Stand up! Get up!
My friend, stand up!
Come on, stand up there! Get up there!
My friend, stand up!
See, you just the shout for
Because
me
you
like
hear
say,
this
go
thing when be
go
like
here.
this thing. Which kind jacket you even
Go
wear?
here!
Una just the shout for me like
Sorry, you are wretched.
like
Don't worry,
evil
I will handle
spirit.
the matter. Go there!
Yeah.
Now force.
No, don't worry, I'll take care of
Chemos,
I'll take
if
care
this
of
guy
this.
no want sit down, can't make the command.
Sit down
My brother,
now.
man.
You even need to see the way they spread for that
If
chair.
you
It
don't
just
use that
spread.
Spread like virus.
I told you I will
No, but
handle
wait, happen?
I don't know.
When we come, now SIM card, they begin to tell people say, don't sack. I say, SIM card, you sack Nedu. It asks everybody now, they know now.
They do not lie.
Wetin happen?
Same can say he don't sack you.
Yeah.
This one say na him be Katin.
You understand now? You understand? That means, no be me sack you, I be Katim.
I know say we black together, but
You understand?
so me and I December like this.
You understand? I be Katim, I did not sack you. SIM card say, he don't sack you. My
brother,
I'm the good guy here.
So how we could take no truth now? We could take them code Truth and Reconciliation Commission.
No, leave them. No, good. No, they don't disband the committee. As new government will enter now, they don't disband that committee.
Yes,
you know they on again. So leave them. We leave them to God.
My brother, the government see there. As far as say the date never reach, I'm from Bayelsa today. I just come so. The government see there.
So you from where, Katina?
Everywhere now. We don't know if we collect from everywhere because I don't want to go claim where it is.
Anyway, good evening and welcome on top of the live show.
We don't
My name
dey live.
is we don't dey live now. Hey,
we
where
don't
my
essence.
phone? Chemos, I leave my phone for that window. Let me carry am.
We did live.
We dey live. So
Now they do all this thing.
anyway, good evening and welcome on top of the live show for today, April 23, April 2015. My name is Nanedu _, me and Katim don't say that. Don't mind these two fools where they here. Imposters.
Don't mind them.
Where they here. Acapella and SIM card.
No, maybe Acapella. It can't be like
I like the name imposters,
Because imposters go make sense.
yes,
Imposters.
you post me from here, go here. At least
They tell you
You-
imposter.
they don't post it to anywhere. You there where you there since.
Anyway, you find this kind of people now.
Don't mind them. Anyway, before we start the show for today, Acapella and SIM card don't sit down. Normal, so they start the show. This one, now story, when I see them today, I not feel help, but say we must talk about this matter.
No, which one of these?
You get one company where they make condom, raincoats. Now, don't die.
No, wait now. Oh, which kind of people be this? Don't interrupt this
why?
thing.
Now SIM card ministry with that. There where they go so.
Okay, in the work for manufacturing
No,
company.
now where they call her this condom this thing now calling.
Okay, then who button me?
Yeah,
Condom.
nah.
Yeah, call them again. Call condom again. Call condom again. Me.
Condom. Yeah, I tell you that ministry now.
Called dumb.
They do what you say do condom.
anyway, the company where they make Durex condom, they don't call back. You know, as Toyota they do. See them, they see condom company say make una return condom we not good.
How they go
Those
take
of una
say-
wey buy Durex condom because people don't complain say Durex condom say you get some of them here for.
Which one? The fly for one.
I don't know. I take no flavor. Hey!
Hey! See the right hand there now.
Well, the company don't say make una return condom. Wait, the Durex condom we not good. Hold on. Question what I want to ask now. Waiting because Matrix Toyota when it been get problem they say make they return them. Now, how many people don't complain? What do you make them? What do you say make them? Say make they return these things.
Representative.
See.
So for now, mind I be condom ambassador.
See. You know, say first of all, people complain that in past. Go be Nigerians.
Nigerians don't complain about the thing tire.
Nedu, you don't know what they happen.
Wait now.
You know one major problem with condoms get? You know, say condoms be like political parties.
I don't know now. I no join.
You know why? Condom be like political parties because condom, you get how you go use and you go break. You know, say political parties, there is a big.
Wait, wait, no vessel. The company say make everybody return.
Make everybody return the condom when they don't use.
No, he said condom. No, Neru. He said return the condom when bad.
Condoms, no. They say make people return the Durex company. Get the gist. One not scatter the gist. Durex company say make them return condoms.
When bad.
When bad, that's why you they use them. If it split, if it decamp, return them.
If it decamp,
if not so, they go close the company.
They sabi all these things.
By the time we return, by the time them return, because one go say we return, because the cause are not follow.
Impostor, you know they talk a bit.
By the time we they return, not we.
No, question what I want to ask first of all. Question what I want to ask now. People because some people. They don't get belly by mistake. When then they use condom tear. And if you see that way one Larry,
you know those kind of people.
Some people I know not be say
they read that for
they read that for for
Facebook.
They read that online. And they read it online. So when they wipe, when they want Larry, the condom go fit go tear.
When they want to wait,
when they want Larry,
when they want Larry,
so when they want narrative.
When they wipe,
botanical name of this thing. You want to Larry botanical
of coming.
the botanical name of coming is Larry
Of what? Of Wazo.
Botanical name. Scientific.
If you want beer,
if you want Larry, so that the botanical name be that. So when you want Larry, that time the condom can't tear.
Na Yoruba name.
Where people can't get belly. Wetin those people now go do to this company because
simple. The company go train the pikin. Nobody matter just die. Because now the result of the non-efficiency.
Sponsorship.
Because no. This English I was speaker Kramer. Wait, man, not cut me. I beg. This don't call my kidney now. Do my kidney. I want deliver and now.
From your kidney.
Yes, just my kidney. If you look at another English day there now, I will my deliver in the next 1 minute.
Okay.
When you employ somebody,
yes,
you will assume the person's employer.
Come on your hand.
And
come on your hand
the
for that lap.
person is your employee.
Okay.
When your employee does not deliver, that means your employee is not efficient. When person speak, when I go clap. Now so they do.
Okay, continue. You don't finish.
Now you cram this show.
Let me not green clap.
Make me watch one skit from Acapella when they come.
My Riri mama still there again. I know they use my mama crack joke again. No. After the last show, my mama give me invoice. Immediately I reach us, now I see invoice 700,000. I said, Mommy, what's happen? It's our person who work, they no go pay him. I said, which work you do? You say, for our show now. I said, you perform. You say, not be me, you say funny. Or you pay the money. After invoice, I give you receipt. Mommy, this one no character must joke. Oh. You know, follow. You get one way rain, because one thing rain recently. Oh, I don't know who said the CD, they say na Illuminati. Say they give people money. If you stay like this for picture, Illuminati. You stay like this, Illuminati. You stay like that. Then I can't ask what it mean. They say that they give people money. Now America, they do that nonsense. How many people they even give money, they talk anyhow? They give Jay-Z money, give Rihanna, because they talk rubbish. If Illuminati come this Lagos, I give them 3 days, they go broke. Every young boy for first half they rap. By the time they settle all of them, you go shock Illuminati, go join Ogboni. At the end of the day, all of them go come give their life to Christ.
So when they don't pay money finish, they not to go join the money.
And now they don't find money to go back. Now they don't broke now.
They need to buy tickets. Now one way they take it.
But wait. As you talk that thing, that's when they go buy it. You know, say it go make sense where if which I bet if you be which where they watch us or if you only member where they watch us.
Yes, we're
please
just recognizing.
We are recognizing it. People are doing a perfect work.
Sean!
Yeah.
Sean sir. Una dey try where Sean sir.
You know, this is the night show.
Una know say they use flight so they land anywhere as according to Acapella.
Daytime or nighttime.
So all the witches there, all the ogboni throw away toilet with the
them on our behalf.
And for all the girls who black say they know they believe in men.
with the hail all of una join.
Oil and gas go kill una. Una never see anything. We go you light a deaf. We go deaf all the guests. Light. We go you light deaf. Why you dey do they turn your ear like this? My brother, when you like deaf ear, you must follow us.
Before I come to that oil and gas, you know, see, it go make sense where if as your next show now. Which time you do show recently? You
February.
February. Imagine I say your next show now. You just put Acapella live and on the island featuring SIM card, basket mouth, blah blah blah. Katim, Nedu, DJ on the wheel, DJ Easy Beat, supported by Illuminati, Ogboni, witchcraft.
My brother. Now which time is the venue? Which time for the show? If venue, they which
Entry.
time? Which time?
They go say entry.
Which time?
Entry.
They go say entry.
Naked come.
You know the funny thing, eh?
Entry by.
Why they show the advert? People go they say, this show go empty. My brother, if you reach the venue.
No. You know why you show
Where
up
men
for
not fear.
where men they live.
Those people where you led.
Where you? Hey, with the people, one person they sit down for food table because you don't know where Illuminati go sit down. Now you go down, they look Illuminati. I don't qualify for this show.
Yes, then they tell him, let's say, now for the show, they tell him, let's say, go back.
You go surprise where you go, man, go to interview the Illuminati.
But wait, who give you that car where you take you go to that babe?
Na my ogaka.
No, you don't lie for us again.
Na my ogaka.
You don't lie for us again.
Who give you the car?
Na my ogaka. My oga send me.
Tell us the
No,
truth.
That's for the
Nah,
film.
okay.
For the film, na
You
be
for
that.
ask them now instead of to make them be like saying they lie. Now for the film or in real life
Okay,
time.
for real life, who get that car?
Na my car.
Who get that suit?
Na my suit.
Because the way that suit fits you, you not feel go wrong.
The way you take on that Illuminati gist there, it's not possible. Because Illuminati, they know about Nigeria.
No.
They're not going to make it.
Now, make us start with SIM card. SIM card, what be your real name? As in your real name, where your mama and papa give you before you call, see the lights, can't change them to SIM card.
My real name, they don't bastardize them. My surname na Wileki.
Yeah.
Then my real name na Akbos. People will not follow. People will not know what Akbos. They don't use
What's
the
in
name.
Akbos? Mean a short form on a.
That's short form.
What be the full name?
The full name is Akborwaru, meaning the word is big. Then my name correlates with my surname.
So
My surname na Wileki. What you just open like this. Then my name na Akborwaru Wileki. He said the word big, just the big they go. So I don't know whether my papa planned me, whether I don't understand. Because it's so annoying. Then they call me English name, Stanley, to take compensate me.
so it could be Akbo something.
Akborwaru Stanley.
Okay,
When you
feel
dey primary school or secondary school, which name did they call you? Now the full name they like if teachers come, Akboruaro, Weleke, Stanley, you go say
present,
present.
sir.
I did.
But that time, nothing like present.
Nothing
After all,
like
it's
present
still
and modern thing.
Yeah.
Present just modern.
Which school you go school?
I go, if to say my tribe not get school, I for not go secondary school. I go Ogbe Primary School.
Okay.
Then I can go Urobo College. Urobo College, my tribe school now I go. If to say Urobo get university, maybe now I for go.
You pay
But I
school
can
fees.
go, I try. According to my size. You know, I'm not too big. So I pay half the price. I can't go Niger Delta University where I can go study law.
So you know where I be so now?
Uniben, diploma in
no
law.
wonder they lie.
Niger Delta University law. I say the
first.
girls they don't die for my hand. This Lagos one don't pack come. And I can't go make mistake on their house right for my hand. All the girls is finished. They do say is coming. Is come.
Acapella, what be your real name apart from Acapella?
Okay, my real name Dave varies. My name gets swag.
Shut up. Akporaro not guess one.
I don't know.
Amos not guess one. Wileke not guess one. Stanley not be Ramsey, no be Stanley for one movie in those days. That one not guess one.
You don't get native swag. Now Abalis be your godfather. You know, say the one baptized speaking, they'll say who be the
godfather.
Oh yeah, talk. Call your name, we'll tell you who be your godfather.
Go skip her.
No, skip
Okay,
one.
my name is very simple. My name
Tell
is
us.
Bennett Chinedu Daniel.
Bennett, Chinedu.
But don't you say all this English
No
name.
wonder this
My
height.
father and
I
half
don't
caste.
know where
Na
the heights
imported.
come from.
Yeah.
Your father now where?
Half caste.
Half. Which half and which half?
Half, no, and I have emo, half a number.
Your papa get confused or frustrated. Either of the two.
You understand? So they look may not be like say, you get the one with the color, you don't like say the favor number. You get the color is for him, and they could give him one. And during the time where they born my father, Oyibo been plenty for our side.
Okay.
So in father, they serve one of the Oyibo.
Okay.
So black say na the Oyibo name. But my
So
father name is Bennett.
no, which means now Adibi your papa true follow that Oyibo go. You for not the Nigeria now.
For be foreign commander we invite condition.
So you know they happy for your
You
papa.
now for don't join Illuminati.
By now you not going to call your guy now. Say link me now.
So you know they happy with your papa.
I'm very angry.
When
When
you
I for be black American comedian, we invite condition.
But
Then
why?
you go to carry mic say Joe.
Shields, you know what we do. You know what time is it? Every
But
time
why
they
you
tell
feel
us,
say?
you know what time is
Why
it?
you feel say na America? Now your papa for carry you go.
But seriously, why you think say your papa no carry you go Ethiopia?
No, Krakow.
Ethiopia or Yibo.
Or
No,
Spain?
Krakow.
Makes
Lebanese.
sense now.
Lebanon.
Lebanon.
Spain, Barcelona day.
Yeah.
No.
Or the carry go Lebanon.
No,
You say
Israel.
not be Spain, Barcelona day. Not be Barcelona,
My
Spain
supposed
day.
to come from there.
My papa.
No, who's your pa? You want feature your hey, my pa want feature you for this one. Say now wow. My pa na so because you know there you want to say that I'm born you too.
Your name, you say your name na Chinedu abi?
No, na
say-
native name be that.
No, na
name
because he know say my name na Chinedu. Now he add
Oh, you say na Chinedu.
my name na Nedu. Now I make a add.
Chinedu.
And I make
and
a
my
add.
No, you
friend.
na Chichi.
And my friend Chinedu.
So what you dey try talk now? You be fool oh.
I dey see-
You tall.
See
You
Goliath.
tall. See you Goliath. You tall.
You like Goliath.
Eh, una nigga.
My brother, more three stand.
Who tall pass?
Make we three stand.
No, who tall pass?
Make we three
If
stand.
I just leave this guy, maybe.
My brother, come on three stand. Oh, Goliath.
Who tall pass?
If I just leave this guy, may we know.
Oh yeah, back yourself.
Why not? No, Simka, you dey look up. You dey look up.
Back yourself.
Simka, you dey look up.
You
Back, no.
I
back
don't
yourself.
understand.
Eh, now don't start. Now don't start now.
Oh yeah, back.
Are you stand?
No,
You
back
stand.
yourself. Back yourself.
Easy be when two
Chinedu
people dey
stand.
fight,
Back
they don't know one
yourself,
person dey
oh.
separate.
Chinedu
That's why
stand.
they here.
Back.
When two people dey
Chinedu
fight.
stand.
See, who tall pass?
Na Nedu na my guy.
Oh, let me talk
You talk
pass.
pass.
Now let me talk pass now.
No, why?
Nah,
Because
drop.
he get hair for head.
Nah, draw.
Now hair.
You know what it is?
Oga the draw. Na
Oh yeah, you stand.
Easy be say na draw.
The last Chinedu stand.
win.
The last Chinedu stand.
No, one Chinedu don't.
Anyway, I follow myself over TV. Twitter handle is over TV. We'll got small chicken in break for you. We'll come back. You go bring in the callers for phone. Make you talk to Acapella and SIM card for the night show. We still get plenty questions to ask them when they come back.
SIM card.